In this video, I'll be going over what is literary device. There are two types of literary devices. The first is literary elements, and the second is literary techniques. Now, let's jump into what the differences are. Literary elements are the larger parts of the story that persist throughout. Some examples of literary device for literary elements are setting, mood, and themes. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. Don't worry, I'll be going into specific literary elements and literary techniques further after this video. So let's continue. Literary techniques are the devices that focus on smaller parts such as words and sentences. Here are a few examples: alliteration, flashback, foreshadowing, and there are a lot more. And I'll be jumping into a video and a playlist later on. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. So now, one of the most important things you want to realize is that when you use a literary device, you want to use it naturally. Many new writers, including myself at one point, likes to throw them in to seem like a better author because it seems, oh, he knows what these literary devices are. But using too many back to back will distract from the important parts of your story and the importance of what you're trying to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this far into the video. If you are still here, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. And don't worry, I have a previously made playlist with some literary devices already located here. Again, scan this barcode if you want to jump into seeing what books I have for sale, what other projects I'm working on. Feel free. And don't forget, guys, I am here every Tuesday and Thursday, noon Pacific time with a new video. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for the notifications. I will see you guys on my next video. May the force be with you always.